Hey, Brian.
That's older brother.
I mean, Eliza.
That's older sister.
I mean, Hinata.
Dad, are you serious? That's our dog.
Whatever, there's too many names to remember. Just take out the trash.
Okay.
Later that night. What the heck? Mark, come do the dishes. Mark! Mark! Mark, I've been calling your name for the past couple minutes. Why haven't you answered me?
Well, last time we talked, my name was everything but Mark, so...
Don't you get smart with me.
Sorry, Mom. I mean, Grandma. I mean, Jeremy.
Who's Jeremy?
Mom's boyfriend.
Oh, great heavens!